Welcome to the next Throne of Allegoria video. Throne of Allegoria will be released at Essen next week. What you see here is strictly prototype quality. Today I would like to take a quick look at the Guilds card, at the Anarchy track, at the Elms track and Diplomacy. Each player has an identical set of 5 guild cards. They are backprinted English and German. So these are the blue guild cards. The backside is in German. And you see these were just 4 cards and the 5th is already on the table here in one of the spots. The bankers allow a player to play a guild card from the hand to your player mat with a grand task action which costs 2 points. So I could play this card into the second spot over here. If both spots are already occupied, you could return one of your cards to your hand and exchange it with another card. But how do you activate a guild card that is already on the table? Remember, one of your bidding tokens has a star. Whenever it is turned over, the owner may state if it is a 2 or a 1. Normally higher is better. However, if the owner says it is a 1, they may immediately activate one of the guild cards on the table. All are positive. Anarchy. At the start of the game, there are 24 Anarchy tokens on the board, in 4 groups of 6 cubes each. 1, 2, 3, 4. During the game, a player must take an Anarchy marker for various actions or to make an action more powerful. You take a marker from the left first and place it in front of you. So I would take this marker and put it in front of me. At the end of the game, each Anarchy marker a player has will be worth negative points, as indicated by the space furthest right with at least 1 empty spot on the Anarchy track. So let's assume I have 3 Anarchy tokens in front of me and a total of 8 tokens have been removed from the track. My 3 tokens are multiplied by 2, the number over here that you probably cannot see right now. So 3 times 2 would generate 6 negative points for me. The Diplomacy track is down here. The first time a player takes a spy's subterfuge action on their turn, they may move their marker 1 space along the Diplomacy track, so from here to here. The Diplomacy track will provide them with endgame bonuses for the number of in-game claim cards that they completed. Let us assume a player has 4 completed in-game claim cards and has a multiplier of 3 over here. This would result in 4 times 3, so 12 points, which is quite good. And finally, this is the Elms track. Each player has a marker here. With the Scholar's task action, Elms, a player advances 1 spot over here. When a player lands on a bonus space, they may immediately resolve the bonus. So here blue could take the top card from the Workforce deck and add it to their hand, as you see here. Get 1 Workforce card. In addition, and this is also very important, the player may return one of their Anarchy markers to the track. So back here. Thank you very much for your attention. Tomorrow I will finish this video series with scoring.